Automatic mode, standard procedure. Automatic mode enables users to minimize the time spent in front of the machine by combining functions available in manual mode into a string of actions taking place one after another. In addition, it offers some more advanced features that are only available in this mode, such as cleaning to reference point or cleaning to reach stable results, which will be presented in this video. Select Automatic mode from the main menu screen. First, define the cleaning time. Then define the number of projects you would like to clean in the cleaning session. Automatic mode allows for activation of up to 6 independent projects in parallel. You can add projects in the How many molds in the session section. Next, select the mold from the database. Upon selecting a project, the information about the number of mold channels and their names will be automatically uploaded to the session. Mark the operations that are to be a part of the cleaning algorithm. The full process includes rinsing with mains water, external water supply required, pressure and blockage tests, and diagnostics. You can increase the number of diagnostics performed during the cleaning process. If more diagnostics are selected, the cleaning time will be divided equally by the number of diagnostics. However, the time between 2 consecutive diagnostics cannot be shorter than 2 hours. Finally, define the nominal working pressure. This can be altered later during the process as well. When ready, press the arrow on the right-hand side to proceed. Activate the sections that have been connected to the mold. In this case, we skip sections 2 and 3 due to internal leakage between the channels. Then select the mold. This is important when we define more than one project in the previous window, and assign a specific channel to a specific section in accordance to physical connection. Pay attention how the channels are connected in order not to make a mistake. Caution. In order to collect reliable data over time, it is crucial to make sure the way channels are assigned to sections reflects the exact physical connection to the mold. Otherwise, the flow rate results of a particular channel might be saved under a different channel name, leading to confusion. When ready, press Start. The machine begins with the pressure test, verifying if there is no leakage. If leakage is detected, the machine asks the user what to do. If no action is taken, the leaking channel will be excluded and the process is continued. Next, the machine proceeds to blockage test. In the case a channel is defined as clogged, it will be excluded from the following diagnostics flow rate measurement and activated again in the cleaning process. The next step is flow rate measurement. Each channel is measured and then dried with compressed air, so that no water is left inside the channels before the machine switches to cleaning mode. Remember to set the measurement time long enough to get stable flow, otherwise the results will not be accurate. When the measurement is over, the machine proceeds to cleaning. At the bottom of the screen we can see the overall cleaning time left as well as time left to the next diagnostics, if more than 2 diagnostics were defined. When the time is over, the machine switches to air blow and removes all the cleaning media back to a tank, drying the channels. Dried channels are marked green. Next, the pressure test is repeated to see if the channels are not leaking. The machine proceeds to flow rate measurement and repeats the procedure again. Channels are dried with compressed air and the machine goes back to the cleaning mode. You can click on Previous Diagnostics Results button to see the flow rate measurement history for every channel. You can switch between circuit results by clicking up and down arrows. The blue vertical line represents the reference flow value, while the orange ones correspond to the results reached after every measurement in this cleaning session. To go back to the previous screen, click the return arrow at the top. When the cleaning time is over, the machine will dry the channels with compressed air and then proceed to rinsing with external water supply, if the function was activated. Rinsing with mains water helps maintaining neutral pH value inside channels after cleaning. Every channel rinsing is automatically followed by air blow so that no liquid is left inside. Dried channels are marked green. Air blow time should be long enough to ensure all the water is removed from the channels prior to switching to further operations. Otherwise, the water left in the channels will return to one of the containers, causing potential overflow. Once the channels have been rinsed, the machine performs the pressure test again to check if there is no leakage. The pressure test is followed by the final flow measurement and the results are saved in the database. The last operation is flushing the channels with external water supply and drying them with compressed air. The speed of the video has been increased for the purpose of this visualization. When the process is over, you can click Check Details to see the results saved in the database. Select the project in the Project Manager menu and click Details to see the results. You can also see each flow rate measurement history for every single channel. More button. Automatic mode, cleaning until reference flow is reached. One of the advanced features of automatic mode allows users to clean channels as long as a predefined flow rate written in the database is reached. To clean in this mode, follow the demonstration procedure in this video. Go to automatic mode and select the project from the database. At this stage, there is no need to define the cleaning time. The machine automatically sets this parameter to 24 hours when cleaning to reference option is selected. Mark the sections you want to activate for the cleaning process. Then assign the channel to the section based on the physical connection of a channel to the machine. If the selected channel has already been diagnosed in the past and there is a reference flow rate saved in the database, the moment the channel is assigned to the section, a new function will appear on the right-hand side of the screen, Clean to Reference Flow. When Clean to Reference Flow option is selected, all the cleaning parameters defined in the previous screen are overridden. The cleaning time is set to 24 hours with flow rate measurements every 2 hours. The machine is going to measure the flow and compare it to the reference flow written in the database. You can define the percentage of the reference flow rate that will be interpreted as success in the work parameters section. It is recommended to set this value to 95%. When the flow rate reaches the desired value, the particular section is cut off and the machine continues with the process only for other sections. The cleaning time takes no more than 24 hours. After that time, the process is finished. Press Start button in the main console. The machine will proceed with the full cleaning algorithm, including pressure and blockage tests, as well as flow rate measurements. The first flow rate measurement, taking place prior to cleaning procedure, is not compared to the reference flow. The first comparison takes place after 2 hours of initial cleaning. The next step is 2-hour cleaning cycle. For the purpose of the video, the hours were converted to minutes to speed up the demonstration process. Once the cycle is over, the machine repeats the diagnostics procedure. This time the flow rate measurement is compared to the one saved in the database as a reference point. If the result is within ±3% of the original value, the machine ends the cleaning process for that channel. Automatic mode, cleaning until stable flow results are reached. In automatic mode, we can program the machine to monitor the flow rates and clean only as long as it is necessary. During the cleaning process, usually the first several hours bring the biggest increase in the flow. The longer the cleaning time, the lower the increase in the flow will be. As with every hour of cleaning, the channel is getting closer to its nominal flow rate. In order not to expose the channel to acid-based cleaning media for more than it is necessary, the machine can monitor the increase in the flow rate over time and end the cleaning process before the appointed time if after 2 consecutive diagnostics the flow rates are within ±3% range difference. Once those flow rates are defined, they can be saved as reference points for the future in the project manager. Go to automatic mode and select the project from the database. Next, proceed to the next screen by clicking the arrow on the right bottom corner. Activate the sections that are connected to the mold channels and assign the channels to specific section in the machine. Make sure the Reach Stable Flow Results button is on. Press Start in the main console to begin. The machine sets the cleaning time to 24 hours, with diagnostics every 2 hours. The moment the flow rate of a particular channel remains stable after consecutive cleaning intervals, the machine cuts it off. As you will see in the following fragment of the video, different channels will reach stable flow rate results sooner than others. The machine will proceed with the full cleaning algorithm, including pressure, blockage tests, and flow rate measurements. Then the initial flow rate measurements are made. The values are saved as a reference point and the cleaning process begins. The next step is 2-hour cleaning. Once the step is over, the machine dries the channels with compressed air and repeats the pressure test and flow rate diagnostics. This procedure is looped until the flow results become stable. Once the machine obtains repeatable results, the cleaning process for that channel ends. Such an approach guarantees we expose the channel to cleaning media only for as long as it is necessary, yet ensures the maximum flow rate. This method is particularly useful when we have an old tool and we don't know what the original flow rates were. Using this feature helps users define the reference flow for channels in older molds. As you can see, the sections are gradually eliminated once the flow rates become stable within the ±3% range. The process is finished before the appointed time when all sections have reached stable results. You can see the results in the Project Manager under the project's name after clicking the Details button. Here you will see the gradual increase in the flow rates over time. The next step is to disconnect the mold from the machine and perform visual inspection of the channels with an endoscopic camera. You should be able to see an improvement on the surface of the channels.